The word on your screen is pronounced as cues, just like the letter. And what this is a first in, first out methodology to creating something similar to the stack. So basically, whatever we put on first, when we go to take it off, that's the first thing we're going to take off. So it goes right in the order of which we put it on. So enqueue means we're going to add an item. Dequeue means we're going to remove an item. So if you have a little trouble remembering the difference, remember when you get DQ'd from a boxing match, that means you're disqualified, you're out of the match. That's the best analogy I can come up with. Our process of declaring a queue is the exact same as a stack, where we go dim queue, and we can call it whatever, as we're going to call it a queue, and it wants to type again. This time I'm going to change it up. I'm going to go of string equals new queue of string. Very good. Same process as before. I think I have like 4 labels kind of floating out here. So we'll make them work. So enqueue. Oh, we need to call to the queue first. So it's the queue dot enqueue. And we're going to have to add phrases here. So queue dot low, enqueue equal low. Enqueue do class. Enqueue or queue dot enqueue. Try saying that a ton of times over. Hello class, how are you? And then one more queue dot enqueue go today. Okay, so right now our queue will have 4 different items in it. When we go to remove it, all right, let's just do it like this. We're just going to remove it. Since I have 4 labels out on the screen, we'll just remove them like that. So label1.text equals our queue.dequeue. Same as the array stack. When we dequeue something, we don't have to tell it what. We just have to put the parentheses in because it automatically knows, because it's a queue, take the first item off. Label2.text equals our queue dot dequeue again. It's also very tricky to spell, especially when you're not paying that much attention to how you're trying to type. And you realize then how little you use the U key. Equals queue.dequeue. So we have dequeued the whole thing. And then we go to our program, and when we hit the button, you can see we have hello class, how are you today? We were able to simply print out that whole statement by dequeuing our queue. That is pretty much what you need to know about how queues work.